Down I-75, the Falcons with their first win in 686 days. And as we mentioned, that 24-hour window is officially closed to enjoy all celebrations. Bowling Green now turns their focus to Minnesota. The Falcons hit a growth spurt on Saturday, specifically in the second half. And this week's opponent presents another opportunity for Bowling Green to continue to develop as a program.
We've got a 24-hour rule, and 2 weeks ago, that was a long 24 hours. And, you know, our team needs to learn how to deal with a little bit of success. We've dealt with adversity and we've dealt with failure a ton. But now it's time to learn a little bit of what it takes when you have a little success.
We enjoyed the win on Saturday, but now it's time to get back to work. We have a tough opponent coming up. This is a very great, well-coached team, you know, from the Big Ten. So this week of preparation is big.
Anytime that we have the ability to play better opponents or just as good opponents, that's good. It's the way we want it, and it's going to help us for league play, and it's going to develop our team faster.